Okay, so we have this distribution, right? So we want to use this graph to find the mean, median, and mode. But I will just focus on the mean, median, and mode. Okay. Now, um, how do you think you'll be able to find the mean given this distribution? Okay. So feel free to pause the video and attempt the problem. Think about it. All right. Now it'll be very good for you to create a table. All right. So what you're going to do is that you notice that you have X values and then you have the corresponding frequencies. Okay. So I'll do X. So the X's we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Is that okay? Those are your X values. And then the corresponding frequencies. You notice that the frequency that goes with 6 is 3. All right. And how about 7? 7 is 4, right? And then 8 is also 3. And 9 has a frequency of 4. And 10 has a frequency of 6. Okay, nice. So that's what you have. Now we are going to now do to find the mean, we have to do F times your X. All right, so now let's do that. So we're going to do a product here. So basically we're going to do this times that, this times that, that times that. Okay, so let's do that. 6 times 3 gives you 18. 7 by 4 gives you 28. And then 8 by 3 gives you 24. 9 by 4 gives you 36. And 10 by 6 gives you 60. Okay, nice. Now, what you need to do is that the mean has a formula that we're going to code here. So the mean, to find the mean for this set of data point is sum of fs, so sigma fx, okay, which is the same as sum of fx over sum of f. Is that okay? So the sum of the product of f and x over the sum of the frequencies. So you're going to add all these together. Is that okay? When you do 18 plus 28 plus 24 plus 36 plus 60, what do you have? This will give you 166. And how about the sum of the frequencies? Now, this is giving you a total frequency of 20. So your mean is going to be 166 over 20. And 166 over 20 will give you 8.3 as your mean. Okay, so note that. So when you're given a set of data points with corresponding frequencies and you have to find the mean, is the sum of the frequency, sum of the product of the frequency and x, all right, on the data points divided by the sum of the frequencies. Okay, and that gives you your mean. So this problem looks simpler than you think, but it's a lot detailed. Now we want to find the median. How do you find the median of the data point? Now, what is the median in the first place? The median is the 50th percentile, or the number that sits at the center of your data, right? And you know that when you're given a data point, to find the median, you have to arrange the data set in ascending order. But here, we have been given the frequencies that goes with the data point. So you notice that if I have a data point 20, a frequency, a sum of frequency of 20, right? What will be the middle number? So the middle number would have to be 20 divided by 2. So that would be the 10th number. So the number that is the 10th number, but because this is an even number, Is that okay? You have 20 data points. So you notice that your median will be between the 10th number and the 11th number. Is that okay? So take your time. Let me give you an example. So if I have 2, 4, 6, and 8, right? What is the median of this number? The median, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 data points, the median will be between what? 4 and 6. Is that okay? Because this is already arranged. So we have to do 4 plus 6 divided by 2, and the median is 5. So you notice the median is between the second number and the third number. So for this data that has 20 points, the median is between the 10th number and the 11th number. So what we're going to do is we're going to start adding these numbers together, the frequencies together. So 3 plus 4 gives you what? 7. 7 plus 3 gives you 10. Okay. And then, so that's the 10th number is that. So the median is between 8 and 9. Is that okay? Because we have said that it's between the 10th number and the 11th. So therefore you have to do 8 plus 9 and then divide by 2. All right. And what do you get for that? So that is why the median is 8.5. Is that okay? So that is your median. Your median is 8.5. So that is how you find the median for this frequency distribution. Now, the last question that would have been on this problem was to find the mode. And the mode is the number with the highest frequency. Now, when you look at the frequencies, the number with the highest frequency is your 10. Okay, because that's the tallest bar right there. All right. So the frequency is not 6. The frequency is what? Is 10. The number that has the highest frequency. Okay. And that is how you answer this problem. Okay. So let me know if you have questions on this particular